In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a stream on Twitch using OBS Studio, which is the most popular and free software for streaming. Let's get into it. First, make sure you have a Twitch account. If you don't have one, go to twitch.tv, click Sign Up, and create your account. It's free and only takes a minute. Now go to obsproject.com and download OBS Studio. Install it on your computer and open it. Once OBS is open, go to Settings, then click on Stream. In the Service drop-down, select Twitch. Now click on Connect Account and log in with your Twitch credentials. This will automatically link OBS to your channel without needing to copy and paste anything. Now go back to the main OBS screen. You'll see a section called Sources at the bottom. Click the plus button to add what you want to stream. If you're streaming a game, select Game Capture and choose the game you want. If you want to show your webcam, click the plus button again and select Video Capture Device, then choose your camera. Before you go live, go to your Twitch dashboard. Open your browser, go to twitch.tv, click on your profile icon, and go to Creator Dashboard. From there, click on Stream Manager. Here you can set your stream title and choose a category, which is the game or content you'll be streaming. Now go back to OBS and click Start Streaming. You're live on Twitch. Check your Twitch channel to make sure everything looks good, your video, your audio, and your game capture. You can also open Stream Manager on Twitch to see your live preview and chat in real time. When you're done streaming, just go back to OBS and click Stop Streaming. And that's it. That's how to start a stream on Twitch. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.